Welcome to Ceiven Digital Marketing. I welcome you all for this training in digital marketing because we have a lot to learn. So, do you possess any skill that you think the world can find useful? Are you talented? Do you have any skills? Talking about skill, it can be skill like just writing a tweet. Now the skill like just watching a movie for someone. A skill like maybe you want to like data entry, you want to just enter data for somebody. So skills vary. Some skills require training, while some are something you can just get on your own. But don't worry, if you have any skill, we're going to show you where you can market your skill. So if belonging to my group, we help you develop your skill for you. Okay? So don't waste time. What are you waiting for? Just check below, click on the link below, and join my WhatsApp group. Okay? I'm going to teach you a lot, as I'm going to see from what we said earlier on. You see, I'm going to teach you. If you have any skill, if you have any problem, I'm going to teach you. If you have a skill, all well and good. So don't waste your time. Just scroll down, click on the WhatsApp link, and join my WhatsApp group or my Facebook group. Okay? No time waiting for you. Let us meet over there. Here, we're not going to teach you a skill or one skill. No, we're going to teach you skills. Varieties for you to choose from, and it is now left for you to choose the one you want to learn. And after learning, we're not going to abandon you. We'll show you sites where you can actually sell your skills, where you can market yourself and make money for yourself. I'm not like other gurus who will come and tell you that the moment you enter online you make all the money in the universe. No, I know there's money in the online to make, but I also know that it requires a bit of hard work and patience. It's just like every other business. If you are doing a business and you're not patient, and you're not working very hard, sometimes it may be difficult for you to break even. So also it is online. But that's not what after today. What after today is I want to show you that skills, we're going to teach you skills and show you can market your skills. What are some of the skills I'm going to teach you? We'll take you through Facebook. Everything about Facebook. From how you can create your Facebook profile, to how you can turn your Facebook profile to a Facebook professional page, to how you can even create a Facebook page for yourself, to how you can run ads on Facebook, to how you can create a Facebook community. Just like you have your WhatsApp group, how you can have a group on Facebook, and a community of people who will continue buying your products. From there, we'll move you to Instagram. From Instagram to Pinterest, a whole lot of them. Let me show you one after the other we're going to cover in this lesson. Okay, I will show you one after the other. I'm going to use an example of what they are teaching right there in Udemy. You know, I always believe in Udemy a lot because most of my training I bought them in Udemy, so I know a lot about Udemy. Let me show you what I'm going to learn in Udemy. Okay, I'm going to teach you. These are courses that offered in Udemy, but I'm going to teach you these courses one-on-one. And I tell you that if you're able to exercise patience and learn them, you're going to be a very good skilled worker, and you see a job with your skill. First of all, go to Facebook marketing, as I said earlier on. We'll take you through Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube marketing, Pinterest marketing, LinkedIn marketing, Quora marketing, Twitter marketing, content marketing machine. And guess what? Today, we are living in the world of ChatGPT. We are living in the world of AI, artificial intelligence. So, I'm going to take you through artificial intelligence. Then I'm going to teach you how you can actually create your picture using AI. I can also make your picture to talk. Sometimes, maybe a product, for them to show a product very well, a product has to be very, very good for people to say, this is a very quality product. Yeah, some of those products you see online, they are made from ChatGPT. I'll show you how you can create a product, a very high product using ChatGPT, or even your own image. And most importantly, we'll teach you how you can make your image to talk. I'm not talking about theory. I'm talking about literally. Okay, I'm not standing philosophical now. I'm talking about how you can make your image to talk. Where just the picture, you see a picture talking, and you realize that isn't this just an image? We are going to teach you that how you can make your image to talk, and the online marketing. And aside from that, we'll still take you through marketing concepts. Okay, all about marketing concepts. They'll take you through Facebook ads, as I told you, YouTube ads, Google ads, copywriting, copywriting. Formally, copywriting is a very, very difficult skill. For example, it's only meant for those who have gone to university, like the journalists and the rest of them. But today, it's no more like that. With the help of AI, even ChatGPT, you can write any content that will rank in Google. But remember, Google also has a way that can detect machine writing. You can know that this thing is written by AI. But I'm going to teach you, go to another side where you can also, after writing, using AI to write your article or your post, also to another side where it will be so that when Google wants to check, it will see it as AI, it will see it as human writing. So that way, you scale through Google search. I'm going to teach you that, okay? And we're going to teach you content marketing, sales psychology, and the rest of them. After that, our major goal is website design. We teach you website design. I can try to design a website without even touching coding. If you're interested in coding, then we already have a coding course, a coding class. But for those who doesn't know much about coding, we'll teach you how you can actually build a professional website without coding, without touching anything with respect to coding. And from there, take you to SEO, search engine optimization, SEM, search engine marketing, and all social media marketing. We are going to teach you all that. So come on, you have a lot to gain in our digital marketing training. Our goal is to see you succeed, to see you and we build a community. At the end of the day, you and I and a lot of people will be in this group, will be in one community. We can share ideas together, share thoughts together, and grow together. Okay? So you have a lot to learn being in this group. And now, after the training, like I said, we're going to abandon you. We'll take you to sites where you can market yourselves. Do you know, I believe most of us know already, that there are sites online, there are what we call online marketing. When it's just like the way that you wake up in the morning, you take your bath, and you go to your shops, or you go to your office, or you go to market to buy things. We also have online marketing. I'm not talking about just buying products online, no. I'm talking about online marketplace online, where you can go and sell yourself. Let me show you a bit of them so you'll be amazed if you don't know about them. Some people know about it, but if you don't know about it, let me take a bit of them. This is Fiverr. It says find the right freelance service right away. Who is a freelancer? A freelancer is someone who has a skill and decide not to work for anybody, but to work for himself. People pay him to render services or skill or to product with them. That's a freelancer, okay? Let me just do that as a definition of a freelancer. In Fiverr, you will see how people are looking for freelancing. Let me take you to one aspect of freelancing. Let me take you to article writing. It's going to be tech article writing. Yeah, let's take article writing. And you'll be amazed. Or let me just, article writing is not too hard. Let me take something as simple as tweet. Okay? Let's say somebody wants, you want to write a tweet for somebody, okay? As simple as tweets, okay? You want to write a tweet for somebody. Maybe like, let me just take you there and be surprised what you can see. Let's go there. If you check your result for write tweets, how many people do you see that is writing tweets? This is a gig on Fiverr that is currently on that you can find yourself and you make a lot of money, because it's only 2 or 3 people are doing this service. And how much are they charging? Look at this one, so it's charging $100, something $150. But don't go there, these are professionals. Like I said, I don't like deceiving my clients, okay? And my trainee, my student, I don't like deceiving them. Other gurus to tell that if you come to Fiverr, you write a gig for $150 and they will pay you this. No. As a beginner, you have to start small. So let's go to those who are beginner and see how much they are charging for this. And if you compare to Nigerian Naira, it's still something for you. Okay, let's go to new sellers. Okay, new sellers and apply. Let's see how much they are charging. Yeah, we are now in our new sellers dashboard. These are new sellers on Fiverr. How much are they charging? $5. Okay, $5, $10, and stuff like that. So you can actually write. It's a say, I will write CC viral tweet to promote your brand or service. How much? $5. And funny enough, I'm going to be the one that write this tweet. ChatGPT, artificial intelligence will help you to write the tweet. I will teach you how you can make use of ChatGPT. I can optimize the usage of ChatGPT. So being here You're gonna love to learn. But we're not the only freelancing online, marketplace online. We have places like Upwork. Let me take you to Upwork. Look at Upwork. You say how work should work. Forget the old rules. You can have the best people right now, right here. These are places, marketplaces online, where you can go and market your skills. The next place is a freelancer. Look at this. Say hire the best freelancers for any job online. These are places where white men goes every day to look out for someone who's looking for who has a skill. They'll come over here, look at people's dashboard, check your skills. If it's not what they're looking for, maybe they chat you up. And if you put reach agreement, you do the work for them, they'll pay you. Okay? Look, I say earn money freelancing. Hire a freelancer. If you are going here now, you click on earn money freelancing. If you're someone who has a skill that want to render your skill, I'm going to teach you how you can create what we call a gig. Because here you need a gig to scale through all this. Which I can create a gig on Fiverr, I can create a gig on Upwork, Freelancer, and the rest of them. There are so many. So, like I said, we're not going to teach you a skill and abandon you. We'll show you where you can go and sell yourself. Once again, welcome to Ceiven Digital Marketing. See you in our next class as I take you through all we're going to learn for now. Now, don't forget, this is not a free class. This class is not free, okay? You're going to pay for it, you're going to pay for your skill. Right? I tell you that whatever you pay is worth it. Yeah, it's worth it because you're going to gain a lot. You're going to have a skill for life. Skills that can help you, because they are making you collect money in dollar and not in naira. So don't worry, as we go on, you will see how we are going to showcase to you on this platform. Welcome once again to Ceiven Digital Marketing. See you in our class.